Do you know that spool so desired by most people who recycle? After watching this video, we bet that it will be your object of desire too. In this video we will show inspirations of small tables made with reuse of reels. It's a lot of beautiful things in one video. You are already subscribing to the channel and activating the notifications so as not to miss beautiful inspirations, as we post daily here on the channel. If you just want to paint the spools, choose the color, or colors, that you like best, and let's work, like these beautiful yellow and blue. To leave it natural, rustic, just sand, and if you want to opt for a colorless varnish, even better, to protect your table and facilitate cleaning. In addition to a small table, you can turn the reel into a piece of furniture with various functions, like this one that serves as a coffee table for storing books, or this one that serves as a sideboard and book holder. Also, you can also adopt wheels, and even make these delicate sideboards. There are many beautiful tips, isn't it? Tell us which one you liked best. We count on your like, and if you really liked it, share this video with your friends to inspire them too, and since you subscribed to the channel, as we said at the beginning, we are waiting for the next one. Tip. Until then.